Hello guys, how are you and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be going to show you how to install mods in GTA 5. So first of all you have to download these 5 files. Link will be in the description. Here are the 5 files. Let me show you. All the links will be working. Okay. So now let's extract each into another file. Each zip file into a separate folder. Okay, so here we are. So let's copy one by one these into the GTA 5 main directory.
Just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
So here I'm going to leave the native trainer.asi because we have already installed menu, which is the best in my opinion. So here's the last one, scriptbook5.net. Okay, now you will install OpenIV, which I have already installed. You may have seen in the beginning of the video. So for starters I'm going to install a mod car, which is an add-on. So you have to copy the folder to the given description, to the given directory. So first of all we will open OpenIV, and here we'll go for Windows. Now give your location of the GTA 5 directory. Okay, select the folder and go for continue. Now again continue. So let's wait. So it has started. So I will go for the edit mode. Yes, and now it will ask me to install the ASI manager, which is most important step. Okay, so let's hit the install button for both of the items. Okay, so you have to check that folder, so it automatically creates a mod folder, and copy the update folder to your mods folder. So I haven't done it, so I'm going to copy the update folder to the mods folder manually. So let me show you how it will happen. So once again we will see at the directory. So basically what's the purpose of the mods folder? It doesn't harm your actual files. So I will copy and we will work your work will always be on the mods folder. If you want to delete all modes, you can simply delete the mods folder. Okay, I haven't copied update folder to the mods folder before, so I'm copying it now manually. So here it is done. So now I will copy the car folder to the directory and DLC packs. Okay, so here it is the folder. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. So here it is. Now we have an important step coming. We have to copy this line. And we have to go to the location and go for the DLC list.xml. Okay, I haven't activated edit mode, so I will go back and hit the edit mode. Yes, now here it is. Now I will just simply paste it over here. So we have to check the spawn name of the car, and now I'm going to launch the game. Okay, so my game crashed and I knew that it was going to happen. So here it is. I have an easy fix for that. Just go to the link in the description and search for game config. Here it is, game configuration. Okay, so you have to download it and you have to look for the version. I have this 11, this one 82. Okay, so I will just copy the game config.xml to this location, so it will work. So now we will check the game, and so here you may see lagging in the video. This is not because of the modes. I have this is working completely fine on my PC. That is just because of the screen recording. Okay, so